Good morning everyone. This is Papya Datta, working as a lecturer in Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic College. Today I am going to take a lecture on practical number 10 of digital techniques, that is to test the truth table of JK flip-flop using flip-flop trainer kit. So here in this experiment, if you can see here, so we are going to do the same practical, going to use the practical in the same trainer kit which we have used in the RS flip-flop. So this is the truth table of JK flip-flop. So when J equal to 0 and K equal to 0, the present output will be the past value, which is also called as Qn, which is stored in the memory. Now when J equal to 0 and K equal to 1, you will get the output as the present output will be 0, just called the preset state. And when J equal to 1 and K equal to 0, the present output is 1, which is called the set state. And lastly, when J equal to 1 and K equal to 1, the present output is the past complement, which is in toggle state. That means what? It is toggle between 0 and 1. Okay, so we will going to see the toggle thing in the during the practical. Now this is the JK flip-flop trainer kit. This is JK flip-flop. So this is preset, this is clock, these are the two inputs J and K, this is a clock, these are the two outputs Q and Q bar. Now at present the present output is 0, which is stored in the memory. Okay, so which is already stored in the memory. Now before start with the practical, first understand the function of preset and clear. Now when clear is equal to 0 and preset equal to 1, and if we do this thing like clear equal to 0 and preset equal to 1, then whatever the data stored in the memory will be cleared. Now so when clear equal to 0 and preset equal to 1, the output is 0, and when clear equal to 1 and preset equal to 0, then the memory content will be cleared and output will become 1 without using inputs and clock. If we don't use any inputs and clock, the preset and clear will work that time. So if you can see here, I have not connected inputs and clock over here. So first I am going to connect preset. I am going to connect preset from here and clock and clear from here. And first, but if I don't want to make any alterations, now if I want to the output 0, now connect the clear to 0 and preset to 1, then you can see the output is 0. But if I don't want to make any alterations, then connect the clear and preset to 1. Both clear and preset to 1, then we cannot make any changes. Okay. Now in the next case, when clear equal to 0 and preset equal to 1, you will get the output as 1. Now connect the inputs. J and K and check for the output. So we have connected the inputs J and K, and also connect the clock. Now press the clock switch, and when J equal to 0 and K equal to 0, the past output is showing here. Earlier the past output was 1, then now its output is 1 only. Okay, now in the second case, when J equal to 0 and K equal to 1, 0 0, then pass output will be 1. Write it down on the observation table. Now in the second case, when J equal to 0 and K equal to 1, you will get the output as 0, which is also called as reset state. Let's check for it. When j equal to 0 and k equal to 1, your output will become 0. Yes. So this is also called as reset state. Now in the third case, if we go for the third case, when j equal to 1 and k equal to 0, j equal to 1 and k equal to 0, the output will be 1, which is also called as set state. Let's check for it. And also you have to give clock as 1. J1, K0, and if you, after pressing the clock, the output is 1. That means what? The truth table is verified. Now, when in the last case, when j equal to 1 and k equal to 1, here the output is toggle between 0 and 1. Let's see whether the output is toggling or not. Let's see. J1, K1. After pressing the switch, you can see output is 0 and 1. Now after, if we again press the clock, the output will become 1 0. Yes, I hope you have understood the concept of JK flip-flop. Thank you.